Hello, hi, I'm Nick Acevedo, and I'm here back at it again today. I'll just say with that, I have another recipe of a sport drink recipe. I'll just say, with that said, it would be a half a teaspoon of salt. It would be 3 half teaspoons of sugar. And then 2 half teaspoons, a teaspoon of seasoned salt. I'll just say, with that said, of down, over, around, sideways, down, over, around, sideways, down, over, around. Shake, over. I'll just say, with that said, of another sport drink recipe. With that said, this has been another video with me, Nick Acevedo. I'll just say, with that said.